Amankrado ne squad no mo be kuma winning na won so my din. The power of quietness, the power of muteness, the power of silence, it will locate you like karma. Me say it will be like thunder and lightning and Agradaa. I'm telling you. Agradaa, when you be a dear, na nipa na kana no atum sa men kasa. Na Agradaa nipa ni dibem. Na wudi for Agradaa, wudi Agradaa tender. Me say lightning beka home. So once sa wadwen. Na woni omo andi ni ye. Anasa one pa omacho. That quietness no, that muteness no, sadi no maya no. Ebeye to sa tender the lightning. Nebe dress wa pempem.
Mama kwaba edeba attention TV so mamu PC na natili ene maje mekunya ewo attention TV so me ba behwie ensem no ede egu ho ede amam me pa macho mo subscribe channel no emame na mo share videos na across all the social media platforms ne so emame na mo like page ne so emame sa na mo fa mo comment ne so embra emfa emame sa me read ede amam ene ensem be na etwagu ewo social media so eye audio bia beto abonten efa eye Maame Agradaa ho a efa mam bi wa ka se eye Maame Agradaa mo me nko na mo me nko tie embra
omo musro no musro me de ade wa sama me so me chiwa to Bermuda Triangle ni mu me kanokra atrew me nso nyankopon ensa me sro. Who are you, Franco? Why are you like this? Adentina yanyina yedidi na wabesa ahweagum eduane ne wonde bia horo wonsa na kwai
eno de asem
adentina yedidi yedi eduane papa na wabesa ahweadi agum na obia yedi eduane ne wonde bia wodi horo wonsa na ko
wotsa de ahwe begum
wasa ahweagum wo wie enso a wasa twani panani so. What kind of rubbish is this? Ninyi no ma ye din show. Ninyi no ma ye din show. They are quiet looking at you. Are you not scared?
Oh.
Uni no ho ana.
Oh.
Adan akoma be na da wo mu.
Oh.
What kind of spirit do you have? Wo be ye enya fe. Wo be ye Agradaa enya fe.
Okay.
Before ba bia eno ye ungrateful. Oba bia ye ne papa ne ni so. Or you ungrateful woman. Bema bia ya ne papa na ni so e you ungrateful wizard. What kind of rubbish is this? Ophelia at the saying. Obapa Mikel say even our muteness is vindicating us. Thank you, sweetheart. And Krofoya Babejina Mamma Canada de no tini so. Obi yira ba be si social media so kuma wo tini so wo pie ba ya wo be powaji akyere no Amankrado so be hwe ono so akwa te na Biscout Nana Kwame Sabato omo nyina old burger Daddy Fred name all of them me pato cement me abodi afacha me enye boapayo. What kind of rubbish is this? Where piaba wo yasa woni omo beko entokona wo twetwe no they are quiet. Wo ya they don't respond to you. Shabije ade a wo be ye BJ never responded to you. After the caption beto hwa wo se wa bo wakutia wa ba be so life wo kasa. What is your problem? Don't you have integrity or you don't have any I don't understand. Agradaa, you are not credible. What is wrong with you? Sa obika samwa for what sort of form? Not for when it to her. Just I don't get you. Your behavior stinks.
Hey.
Your behavior stinks. What is this, Agradaa? What is this? Will your son, Diana, will your free? caption. Nipa na mbo wudi. Wo say blah 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 blah. I didn't know benye free Agradaa. I didn't know wo say wo yes of Maame. Wo pasum jie. And why don't you sit down and focus on your church?
I have
Agradaa, what kwa BNT say waba. Waba yan to kwan. And I say something is wrong with your brain. And when I walk I know say your state is not good. I think say Agradaa more funny hospital because something is not right. I think that something is not right with Agradaa. Yeah, wanna gra. Baby, your choir now we free wabano. I think there is something wrong. Because sa am pastor when I will choir now waban when you bia Agradaa you will concentrate on your church. Number one, wo buy will say wo pass some G. Yeah, we were all happy. We were all happy so wo pass some G. Yeah, no problem. So what the other camp? Nobody is fighting you. I don't think so. The camp people who were fighting you, I don't think so. They fought you. So I didn't know what the other camp. They never fought you. Ain't it? I don't know what you say. I don't know what you say. When be you my so who say mudi egu omani mase. Agradaa, enough of disgrace.
Oh, okay.
Obia wa your papa. Agradaa men that we team money paneda. Na sa wo your papa so Agradaa men fan to wanonka. I thought to say we are so for Maame sabi wa dwen wo ho. Wa dwen da from say me are so for Maame. Me read the Bible ne hu. Ama Bible ne say sa me your papa anya sa me sa bonkum kra hu. Nanti afi ba ne say so for Maame. Afi ba ne say Jesus Christ. Obia will pass some G. 1 gig besi wa no di atem. 1 gig trial son when he back home. People are calling when he to keep mute. When he ba or some men kontokwa. When he ba or some men kontokwa. 1 gig ba oh yes when he and then you people are setting when he up and when he ba the way when he come out Agradaa. Come and see how when he fought for you. I didn't know bloggers or mutijaya kuma wunyina no. I didn't know boni aye. My problem is don't be ungrateful. You are so ungrateful.
Boy.
Dear wo ye dear
Oh dear.
Akwa wuni mu nyansa. Maame block you. Go and come back again.
Boy you are busy for you or block it. Oh. Mama men block. Abuzik wa mate free. Oh.
Ah. Agradaa, what is it? There is something you do, Agradaa. You. It's very bad, Agradaa. The people who have been there for you, you don't turn your back on them. Doris, I've seen you. I salute you.
Mama say uncle be.
cäsé+néw, I salute you.
Maybe I bring the uncle.
The people who stood up in the gap for you. These people were there 24/7. They were helping you. I've been dealt with ungrateful people, so I know how it feels. I am very sad and it's so painful. Meme Diane say, you said you want peace. Peace is a very good thing. Somebody who want peace. So why are you instigating fight? If you want peace, peace is the best thing. We were all happy for you that you want peace. So why are you instigating fight? You said you want peace. It's like you are being a bit delusional. You are being very delusional. What you are doing is so delusional, very delusional.
Mesama makwaba ediba attention TV so mo subscribe channel no ema me na mo share your videos na across all the social media platforms so ema me sa na mo like page no and so ema me na mo form comment no embraye mo PSC na natili me ready eje ama makra mo da sene yesan be sure.